If your Android phone is not reading QR codes, it's usually because of this one setting. I'm showing this on Samsung Galaxy. On different models, the menus might look slightly different. First, I'll open my camera and then tap these four dots to open my camera settings. Then tap the gear icon on the far left to access more camera settings. Towards the top, there's a toggle for scanning QR codes. This needs to be turned on, and if your phone wasn't reading them properly, it's usually because that toggle was off. Also, make sure your camera is in the photo mode. Video mode usually doesn't recognize QR codes. You could also use the dedicated QR scanner. Swipe down from the top right corner to access your quick settings and then use the Scan QR Code button. This opens a dedicated scanner. You could also use an app like Google Lens. It works great. If your phone doesn't have the QR scanner in quick settings, you can usually add it. Open quick settings, then tap the pencil icon up top and choose Edit. Whatever toggles aren't already included in the quick settings will be listed on the bottom. Tap a button to add it in, and then you can tap, hold, and drag to organize the buttons to your preferred order. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.